Good morning, everybody. It's time for another delicious edition of Texas Oatmeal. We've got a little ride that Jamie and Billy put on, and we're heading out to Arlington. I'm a little late. I've been installing the new Vandertail. Ooh, pretty shiny. Yes, I finished it in carbon because it goes with the theme of my carbon components on the rest of the car, and it turned out pretty good. I did get a little glue on my finger from sealing the edge and stuck it down right there. You can't really tell, but someone will point it out, especially now that I've pointed out in the video. But it looks really awesome, at least I think. Had to change the way it mounted because I needed to put my third brake light in there, but that turned out really clean. It's clean right now before it gets road grime on it from, you know, driving around. But I love it. So heading out right now, a few minutes late, so I gotta get on the road right now. Tell you, I have no idea where we're going. If I don't have to lead the group, I don't worry about it. I just like to get in and drive.
I don't know I get home. I'll be like, well, when I get home? But I think it's about an hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 Vanderhalls today for our ride. It's beautiful weather. Look at this thing, looking good after the wreck. All fixed. Finally back out with us. Daniel's got a new Tony Sheedla dash and little side sills. Looks amazing. I heard they were up till midnight putting this in. I think this is crooked. I mean, I'm not gonna tell him, but it might be crooked. Chad's got a trailer hitch for our South Dakota ride. It's not the best. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it sits a little crooked. It's not centered, but I think it'll get the job done. It's welded really well. We'll see how that goes. More to come at during our South Dakota trip in July. All right, we're heading out. Chad thinks he's cute. So 11 Vanderhalls. I think everybody's into Venice except for Brian and Gerald. I think Gerald is the new guy's name. And the brown caramel. I'm not sure exactly what color that's called, but it's awesome. And we don't have that color in our group, so that's kind of nice. But there's a whole line of us back here. Hopefully we can all stay together. If Chad was leading this ride, he would take off like a bat out of hell and leave all of us in the dust, and we'd never find him. So luckily Billy and Jamie are the ones leading, and I'm gonna do some creative letting people pass, get some videos, some roller shots, you know, typical stuff you see on this channel. So should be going in a minute. Got like an hour drive to the first destination for some food, some more picture opportunities, I'm sure. And yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. Okay, see you there. I mean, this is a perfect day. If any of you guys watching this are not in Texas right now, enjoying the beautiful weather we're having today, I'm sorry. Move to Texas and join the biggest Vanderhall group in the country. blinker on. And now she's got it on video.
I just know that there's a tow.
What is it?
It's not like, wait.
Troy's not. Well, then Troy would be here to tell you he put the sound system in this thing.
In whose house? Deion Sanders?
Deion Sanders. He's had this shipped in from Transylvania. This is where actually Val Drago used to live. La
For
Nazgul.
anyone still watching this video, feel free to comment below how full of
Everybody
you know
knows
what
it.
that Hank is right now.
This is the Deion Sanders Vampire Castle.
Wow.
And he had to sell it when he hurt his big toe and couldn't play anymore on the NFL.
Turf toe.
Lies.
Turf toe. A bad case
Lies.
of
Very pretty ride. This little foresty, wooded area. We're just kind of cruising through like super slow, like 30 mile an hour. It goes along the side of the lake over here. You can't really see through the trees, but there it is. It's so pretty. I can't stress to you guys enough, if you don't live in Texas, move to Texas, bring your Vanderhall. Days like this are incredible. You can't pass this up. Out of nowhere, a 12th Vanderhall shows up. How awesome is that? I don't know where we're all gonna park, but he's smart. He's parked in the shade for sure. That is a great place to be parked. Sweet boat anchor. That's what I'm gonna call Chad's new trailer, a boat anchor. Look at these jack wagons. What are they thinking? I can't believe you guys would desert the group to come over here just to be in the shade.
your
What is
idea.
wrong with y'all? What is
I'm
that?
a redhead. I'm allergic to the sun.
I
What is
think
this that I'm drinking?
And I'm married to a redhead.
yours.
She's allergic to the sun.
What is that?
Over here.
what is wrong with this? I
This
think
was sitting in my.
Oh my god.
this is
This
basically
is unsweet. I wonder if that's sweet.
this is basically the
Let me
Mensa table
find
over
out
here, Chad.
if I gotta sit down and check this out real quick to see if this is sweet or not.
I knew.
Very important.
I knew. Those of us who are all
Oh, that is sweet. I don't know whose this is, but it's unsweet if anybody wants it.
So,
And just like that, we are back from another amazing day. Okay, so everyone was out on three-wheelers today. I mean, I saw that trike on the way down with that motorcycle, whatever they were, and then those Can-Ams on the way back. I think those were Rikers. I don't really know. I always forget to really kind of pay attention, whatever those things are, right at the end. Man, another amazing day. Back roads that we took were awesome. All that green canopy cover was cool for video, and you know, driving around was great. Good food at that sunset place, whatever it's called. I'll put it in the video. I can't remember off the top of my head while I'm doing the outro, but really good food, cool place. A little hot in the sun, which is why some of us moved to the shaded area at the other table. I would have died if I had stayed in the sun that long. And then I ate a
chili cheeseburger. So not a good combo. Super hot sun, chili cheeseburger, no. So we got another event tomorrow because Texas, and I get to unveil something I've been working on for a little bit. I guess no one knows about it because I haven't said it in any of the videos. I haven't shown it to anyone. No one in the group knows what I'm doing. But tomorrow, first car show that we'll be able to do, that since I have the stuff to do this little thing. So it should be fun and funny. So hopefully you guys like the video, the next video after this. I don't know that I'll put it out tomorrow. This one's probably gonna go live tomorrow. And then tomorrow's activities that I film will go live Monday. I'm trying to upload at least once a week, sometimes twice a week. Just depends on what we do around here. And if my computer wants to cooperate and let me edit video. So anyways, that's gonna be it for today. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Hey, it's okay. Listen,
Look at these
when you're
donuts.
amongst the Vanderhall group, the calories don't, like, they don't attach to your body. Yeah, look at
Yeah,
all
you
this good
can
energy.
eat whatever you want,
You can eat
as
what
long
you
as you're in a Vanderhall.
And as long as you're amongst this group, you're all good.
They should advertise that.
Yeah, the Vanderhall diet plan.
Calorie
The Vander
free.
diet.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.